I once again welcome you back to Entrance Investigation. This is Sambhav here, and you're watching problem solving series of logarithms. Particularly for JEE Advanced, logarithms is quite a decently important topic. I won't say it is really very important, but it is important in some particular aspects, like somewhat problem solving, I must say. And so I would request you all to attend my lectures really very carefully. We have completed logarithms in the previous videos. In the previous two videos, we have discussed the entire concepts of logarithms. Now in this video, we are going to discuss some problems. These problems are taken from an advanced level book. So I would recommend you all to pause the video and try the problem first. Then only this video session, this problem session will be beneficial for you. तो आप लोगों को क्या करना है? There is a simple logic. You have to pause. I'll be showing the question. I'll be displaying the question. All you need to do is to pause the video first. Try it yourself. In case you get, see, there are a good amount of questions. So you are out of 10, or I think there are 10 questions. So you can tell me the score in your in the comment section below, and let's start. So this is the first question. So I request all of you to pause the video and try the question yourself. I hope you have tried the question. आप लोगों ने question कर लिया होगा. तो देखिए बहुत ही simple question है. We'll use a very fundamental property of logarithms. Okay, so if x, y and z are three positive real numbers, so x, y, z are given to be positive. So that's a good thing. So now log of, I would write here, log of z base 2x, sorry, yeah, so this is equal to 3. Okay, and log of z base 5y is equal to 6. And I have also been given log of z base xy, this is equal to 2 by 3. I have to calculate z. Okay, so how I'll proceed in this problem. This problem is really very simple. Just a minute. I'll reduce the thickness. Yeah, it's fine now. So I think we can. Okay, so this is okay. So yeah. Okay, so we have been given this. Now what we are supposed to find? We are supposed to find z. How can we approach? So आप लोगों को याद होगा log of a base b को हम 1 over log of b base a लिख सकते हैं. कैसे लिख सकते हैं? You can remember this and I'll tell you the proof. Okay, so I can write log of 8 base b as log of a base c upon log of b base c. This follows from the base change property. Okay, so simple as that. Now this thing can be written as 1 upon log of b base c over log of a base c. Yeah, so have we got it? I guess we can reverse the base change property now, and hence we prove this statement. We discussed it in the lectures. Okay, so we got this thing and we will apply this thing now. So log of z base 2x can be written as 1 over log of 2x base z. And similarly we can write log of z base 5y to be 1 upon log of 5y to the base z. And similarly this can be written 1 over this is equal to log of z base xy. Now we have these values, so this becomes really simple thing. So this is 3. Okay, so I'll write it over here only. Oh, sorry. And this is 3. Yeah, so we have 3 here, and then we have this value as 6, and this value has been given to us. Just a minute. So this value is 2 by 3. Okay, so this value is 2 by 3, and henceforth I get log of 2x base z to be 1 by 3, log of 5y base z as 1 by 6, and log of xy base z as 3 by 2. Okay, I have to calculate z. Now what can I apply? I have to think over it. How will I apply? Let me apply this thing, log of a plus log of b is equal to log of a into b. Now how this thing came in my mind, that you'll understand when I'll write the further steps. So just a minute, let us try this thing. So log of 2x base z plus log of 5y base z. I have to calculate this, so this will be, of course, since x, y and z are positive, so we will simply write it as this, and henceforth, just a minute, let me judge some space. So great. So we have got log of z base 10xy. Now this thing can be further written as log of z base 10 plus log of z xy base z, and hence now we can calculate these things. We know this value, this is sum of these two, so this is 1 by 3 प्लस 1 बाय 6, एंड ऑफ कोर्स आप ये याद रख सकते हैं 1 बाय 3 और 1 बाय 6 का सम 1 बाय 2 होता है. यू मस्ट रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. ये आपको काम कहाँ आता है? ये सर्किट्स में काम आता है. जब आप फिजिक्स में सर्किट सॉल्व करते हैं तो 3 6 का कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत कॉमन होता है. ये मेरी ऑब्जर्वेशन है कि 3 और 6 के कॉम्बिनेशन आते हैं, तो उस समय दिस थिंग कैन रियली हेल्प यू. फिलहाल बहरहाल आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. दिस इज 2 बाय 6 प्लस 1 बाय 6, दैट इज 1 by 2. So simple as that, we got this value as 1 by 2. So now log of z to the base 10 plus, now we also know this value, so this is 1 by 2, and this will become minus 1. So z will be equal to 10 raised to the power minus 1. Now how I write this? Z raised to our minus 1 is 10, so z is 10 raised to our minus 1, or 0.1. So this is our answer. Okay, so this would be the answer. 0.1 or 1 by 10 is the answer to this problem. So this B option is the correct answer to this problem. I hope बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन था, बिल्कुल मतलब काफी इजी सवाल था. अब आया है हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. वीडियो को पॉज कीजिए और खुद ट्राई कीजिए. कर लिया? तो चलिए देखते हैं. अगेन प्रॉपर्टी वही लग रही है. देखो, log ऑफ x बेस 2 को आप लिख लीजिए 1 ओवर log ऑफ 2 बेस x. ठीक है. सो p का वैल्यू आ जाएगा 5 अपॉन log ऑफ 2 बेस x प्लस log ऑफ 3 बेस x प्लस log ऑफ 4 बेस x प्लस log ऑफ 5 बेस x. So this follows from the previous result, that log of a base b can be written as 1 over log of b base a. So this is fairly simple, and I guess there's no problem in this. So I will simply write this p as 5 over log of, now x has to be positive for this logarithm to be defined. So of course x is positive, and 2 3 4 5 are constants and hence positive, so we can write this as 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, and this thing applies from this property, log a plus log b plus log c and so on. You can write, and this can be written as log abc and so on, provided either they are positive or we are taking the entire modulus, because log of ab is written as log mod a plus log mod b, just to assure that logarithm is in its domain, a and b are in their domains respectively, so that logarithm is defined for its domain. So these things are really trivial, these are very simple. So okay, so we can write this p as 5 upon log of x to the base, sorry, 120 to the base x. Now I have also been given that 120 raised to the power p is 32. So does that help? Yes, actually it will help, because p, now again I'll apply the same property, 5 is to a log x base 120. Great. So for following this, I can also write a log x is log of x to the power a. Again, the solutions might vary for some particular values, but for a general result I can write these things. So simple as that. This can be written as log of 120 x power 5. So this is equal to p and I have been given that 120 raised to the power p is 32. So I can simply write 120 raised to the power p is equal to x raised to the power 5, that is equal to 32, and of course 32 is 2 raised to the power 5, so x raised to the power 5 is equal to 2 raised to the power 5, or I can simply imply that x is equal to 2, or basically, although these are the solutions of this equation, but for this is assumed to be correct because we don't have any other choice here. Of course 1 नहीं हो सकता, 2 नहीं, 2 है हमारा आंसर, so 2 is the answer. 3 and 4, so since you are kids I won't confuse you much. This is the correct answer. X is equal to 2, simple as that. There's nothing much difficult. All difficulty is just visualization, how we will form something, because these things really don't click in mind. जब आप एग्जाम में बैठे हैं ये चीजें समझ नहीं आएंगी. अभी आप वीडियो देख रहे हैं, आपको समझ आ रहा होगा सब. आई होप समझ आ रहा है. अगर समझ नहीं आ रहा है तो आप बता सकते हैं पर्सनली. मेरे एंड पे तो आई डोंट थिंक कोई दिक्कत है, बिकॉज आई हैव डिस्कस्ड दीज थिंग्स इन द लेक्चर्स. अगर आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा है, यू मस्ट वॉच द लेक्चर्स. आई रिक्वेस्ट, आई अर्ज, आई कांट डू एनीथिंग एल्स देन रिक्वेस्टिंग यू टू वॉच द लेक्चर्स. सिंपल एज दैट. Because lectures are really trivial, this theory is really trivial. All you need to do is to just focus and understand. So this question, the question number 3 of the day, this is again a simple problem. There's nothing difficult. This is a problem which is not actually a JEE problem. This is a problem of for a chemistry student, for a physics student. This problem is really very simple. All you need to do, I'll take it in mathematical approach, but I would urge that any student can solve it. This is nothing difficult. Okay, so how approach, आपने try तो कर ही लिया होगा. Let me assume this to be as x and the second term as y, so that the things are much clearer and I can manipulate them individually so that the things are really clear. Okay, so this is log of 0.01 into 1000. So this can be written as log of 10 power 3, and this can be written as 10 raised to the power minus 2. Great. Now you might be wondering that this can be written as this and b ले लो इधर भाई, ठीक है, and this can be written as this. ये आपको याद होना चाहिए भाई. अब मतलब थ्योरी पढ़ ली, अब याद होनी चाहिए चीजें, ठीक है. तो ये दोनों रिजल्ट मैं यूज करूंगा, तो दिस थिंग विल बी वेरी इजी नाउ. सो x विल बी इक्वल टू log 3 by minus 2 log 10 to the base 10 minus 3 by 2. Now calculation of y. 0.001, 0.1. This is log of 10 raised to the power minus 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 10 raised to the power minus 1. So this is of course minus 1 by this is equal to 4. Okay, so simple. So we can add, of course आप एक और concept, एक और लॉजिक भी देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर आप वैसे ये ट्रिवियली आप देख सकते हैं कि नेगेटिव वैल्यू क्यों आ रहा है, क्योंकि नंबर है, बेस है हमारा 0.01 और नंबर है 1000. so number and base are on the different sides of unity, so the log will give a negative value. This I have discussed in the lectures. And this thing 0.1 and 0.0001, these two numbers are on the same side of unity, so I am assured that this will give me a positive quantity, and yes, it is giving me a positive quantity, so I am quite happy. Okay, so I'll have to calculate x plus y. So this is 4 minus 3 by 2, simple as that. This is 5 by 2, nothing difficult. C is the correct answer. Great. So आप लोगों के 3 में से 3 सवाल तो सही हो गए होंगे. These questions are really very easy, really very trivial. बस मुझे ये कॉन्सेप्ट याद दिलाना था आपको, तो आप इसे प्रैक्टिकली भी कहीं पे भी यूज कर सकते हैं, और आई होप आप ये कर रहे होंगे. आप ध्यान से पॉज कर करके क्वेश्चंस को करेंगे तो आपको बहुत बेनिफिट मिलने वाला है इस सेशन से. आई एम श्योर कि आपको कुछ नया सीखने को जरूर मिलेगा, नहीं तो आपकी रिवीजन बहुत अच्छे से हो जाएगी. दिस इज द 4th क्वेश्चन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, एंड आई विल request you all to try, pause the video and try. Okay, so let's begin. I'll begin the explanation. So of course सबसे पहली बात हमें x और y की वैल्यूज का सम निकालना है. तो let me define x and y as simple as that, because x और y डिफाइंड होंगे तभी तो उनका मतलब ये सारे एक्सप्रेशंस तभी वैलिड हैं जब x और y डिफाइंड है. तो y has to be positive, should not be 1 for this condition. I am defining the logarithm. This is nothing difficult. We have discussed this in the lectures. Okay, and here x has to be greater than 0 and x can't be 1. Y has to be greater than 0. So I am defining this simple as that. So overall, y has to be greater than 0, y is not equal to 1, x has to be greater than 0, x is not equal to 1. This is what I get from these two equations. Now, on defining the log, I get these things. Now I'll start my calculation. This is a very easy thing. Now, who will tell me what is the value of y? Y is equal to 27. This follows y is equal to 27. Simple. Great. And log of x into log of 3 into log of x, this, because y is 27, y is greater than 0, y is not equal to 1, so I can write it simply as that. This is equal to 0. Now I can, I just messed it up. So x raised to the power 0 is equal to this thing. So what is x raised to the power 0? X raised to the power 0 is equal to log of 3 log of x, this. Okay, this is 1, and again I'll apply this property, this simple, how we can calculate this logarithm. This will be 3, x cube is 27, value of x is 9. Oh sorry, 3, my bad. Value of x is 3. Just don't lose interest. Okay, so what is the sum of these two? Wow, this was a very simple problem, you know, very simple. अगर आप ये वाली चीजें नहीं भी देखते तब भी हो जाता, but the catch is कि अगर यहाँ पर 2 होता तो आपको ये वाली कंडीशंस को भी देखना पड़ता, क्योंकि आपके पास x की 2 वैल्यूज आती, यहाँ पर क्यूब बन रहा है, तो वैल्यूज आर फेयरली सिंपल. तो viewers are requested to solve this problem taking this, and you can take this. Okay, you can take this and you can sum up the values and tell me in the comment section if you find it interesting. Okay, so that's great, and we can move ahead. Now this is a decent problem, not a very difficult one, yet थोड़ा सा दिमाग तो लगाना पड़ेगा. So viewers are requested to pause the video and try. I guess this is the 5th question, so I'm assuming to, or I'll simply write it as Q. Okay, so viewers can try this video, this question. So I guess आप लोगों ने try कर लिया होगा, तो चलिए. log of 27 base 12 है a, log of 16 base 6 कितना होगा? अरे मेरे भाई, यही तो इतनी देर से कर रहे हैं हम, तो इसको वापस हम थोड़ा सा सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं. तो देखो 12, चलो 12 को ऐसे ही रहने दो. ये वाली चीज 3 क्यूब लिखी है, तो हम पावर्स में डील करना बेटर समझेंगे. सो a इज इक्वल टू 3 log of 3 base 12. एंड सिमिलरली, अच्छा इसको हम बाद में ही देखेंगे, तो अभी हम इसको एज इट इज रख देते हैं. ओके, तो मैं कह सकता हूं कि a/3 का वैल्यू है log of 3 to the base 12, यानी कि log of 12 to the base 3 का वैल्यू होगा 3/a. बढ़िया. और इससे दिस फॉलोज दिस थिंग, दिस इज 4 times 3. So I'll try making this now. So this is 1 plus log of 4 to the base 3 is 3/a. मेरा वीडियो आ रहा होगा, आप ऐसे इधर देख सकते हैं. And this will follow that log of 4 base 3 का वैल्यू है 3 minus a/3. Okay, clear? तो हमें 3 minus a जैसा कुछ फैक्टर तो देख ही रहा है तीनों सवालों में, तो I think we are on the right track. Now इससे हम log 16 base 6 कैसे बनाएं? द पॉइंट इज कि log 16 बेस 6 बनाना पड़ेगा हमें, तभी हम आगे प्रोसीड कर सकते हैं. तो सिंपल, लेट्स ट्राई. दिस इज 4 स्क्वायर, सो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज 2 log of 6 बेस 4 बेस 6. ओके, एंड मुझे यहाँ 3 चाहिए, तो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज, सॉरी, this can be written in this format. Okay, so I'm proceeding. So this can be written as 2 times of 1 over log of 6 base 4. Or perhaps we can, I guess, let us keep it simpler. Let us actually keep it simpler. This is, we must not complicate things. So this is 2 into 3 and this is 2 square. So now I have discussed this. This is equal to 1 over x log of b base a. तो यहाँ पर 2 इसके न्यूमरेटर में चला जाएगा, सो दिस इज 4 अपॉन log ऑफ 2 बेस 2 टाइम्स 3. Great, so we are on the right track. So log of 2 base 2 is 1 plus log of 3 base 2. ओके, सो log of 3 base 2, यहाँ पर हमें ये पता है, तो हमें इसे थोड़ा सा और सिंप्लीफाई करना पड़ेगा. So this is 2 square, so this is 2 log of 2 base 3 is equal to 3 minus a over 3. तो यहाँ पर इसे 6 कर लेते हैं यहाँ पर आके. Okay, now also what do we know? We know that 4 times 1 over 1 plus 1 over log of 2 base 3, I can write it in this manner. अब हमें बस ये वाली वैल्यू को पुट करना है, तो I would need some space for that as well. So we can put this value 4 times of 1 over 1 plus, अरे इसको हम ऐसे लिख लेते हैं 6 अपॉन 3 माइनस ए. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से हमें मिल जाएगा अभी, तो 4 टाइम्स ऑफ 3 माइनस ए अपॉन 6 प्लस 3, आई गेस आई मिस्ड समथिंग, और 3 माइनस ए प्लस 6. यहाँ पर प्लस 6 क्यों आ रहा है? कुछ मिस्टेक कर दी है क्या हमने? देखना पड़ेगा ध्यान से. दिस इज 3 माइनस ए, दिस इज 2, यहाँ तक तो सब सही है. 2 टाइम्स 3 1 ओवर एक्स, ये सब तो सही चला है, अभी तक तो सही है. कैलकुलेशन एरर हुआ हो तो बता दीजिएगा. I'll proceed, but I guess something is not good. Actually, something is incorrect. So 3 minus a over 6, this is fine. Everything seems to be fine as of now. So this is 3 minus, oh, okay, got it. So there was a mistake. This denominator has to be a. So I'm really sorry for this. So this is 2a, this is 2a. Okay, so I guess now the things are correct. Yeah, now this will be giving me this. भावनाओं में बह गया था, कुछ नहीं. गलतियां भाई, हम भी गलती कर सकते हैं, इतना मतलब कोई मतलब बहुत ही तोप नहीं है हम, हमसे भी गलतियां हो जाती हैं. वी आर सॉरी फॉर दैट. And this will be our answer, simple as that. So this is answer. What is the 4 times of 3 minus a over 3 plus a? Actually I was misled just. Anyways, ध्यान रखें अपना भी. मेरा तो एग्जाम हो गया, आप लोगों का होना है, तो आपके लिए ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. गलतियां मुझसे भी हो सकती हैं, तो आपको ये ध्यान से करनी है कैलकुलेशंस. ओके, so let us move ahead. So this is our next problem. So this is log 2 times of log of 2 times of log of. अच्छा, नन वगैरह देख लो ना, तो मतलब एक बार थोड़ा केयरफुल हो जाना, क्योंकि मतलब जनरली मतलब ट्रैप हो जाता है कई बार. हालांकि हो सकता है नन हो आंसर, तो मतलब क्लिक कर लेना. मतलब मुझे थोड़ा सा मतलब पर्सनली लगता है कि नन ऑप्शन होना इज समवॉट डिफिकल्ट. एनीवेज, 2 रेज टू द पावर 0 का वैल्यू आएगा 1, दैट इज log ऑफ 2 टाइम्स ऑफ log ऑफ x बेस 3। अच्छा, ये नन वाला लॉजिक कोई नहीं है, ये इसका कोई लॉजिक नहीं है ना, ये मतलब लोग कहते हैं स्टडीज से आया है, पर आई डोंट नो एक्चुअली, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, आई डोंट नो। So I'm just solving, so this is 3, I'm just solving, this is my x, this is my I have to calculate x plus y, so I have to calculate x and y, this is 3, so y का वैल्यू 8 आ रहा है, एंड यहाँ से log ऑफ x बेस 3 का वैल्यू आ रहा है 2, सो x का वैल्यू आ रहा है 9। 9 और 8 का सम कितना है, ऐड कर दीजिए 17। सिंपल एज दैट, नथिंग डिफिकल्ट इन दिस थिंग। तो ये तो सभी ने कर लिया होगा। आई एम जस्ट डिस्कसिंग बेसिक लॉग क्वेश्चंस। आप लोग अभी बच्चे हैं, जो फर्स्ट टाइम व्यूअर्स हैं उनके लिए है ये। ऑल्दो मतलब जिन्होंने लॉग नहीं भी पढ़ा है या जिनको कम आता है या जिनको आता भी है, वो भी मतलब देख सकते हैं, सॉल्व कर सकते हैं 2-4 सवाल। कुछ सवाल अच्छे भी लेने की कोशिश की है मैंने। सो आई गेस दिस इज अवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। सो दिस इज log of a base 27 plus log of b base 9, this value is 7 by 2, and log of b base 27 plus log of a base 9, this is equal to 2 by 3, find a times b। okay, very easy think a into b कैसे आएगा, जब हम प्रोडक्ट में लाएंगे log के अंदर, और हम प्रोडक्ट में ला रहे हैं log के अंदर, तो मतलब प्रोडक्ट में कैसे लाएंगे, दिस कैन बी रिटर्न, अगर हम इसका log ले लें तो ये log a प्लस log b जैसा कुछ बन रहा है। अच्छा, हमें log a प्लस log b तो है, पर दो इक्वेशन में फर्क क्या पड़ा है, व्हाट आर द चेंजेस? द चेंजेस आर सिंपल, यहाँ पर 9 सेम है पर b की जगह a आ गया, यहाँ 27 सेम है पर b की जगह a की जगह b आ गया। तो ऐसा करते हैं, इन दोनों इक्वेशंस को ऐड कर लेते हैं ना, तो इससे ये बन जाएगा और इससे ये बन जाएगा, और इन दोनों को ऐड करते हैं। तो although I don't wish to go to the calculation part yet, I'll still go. Okay, so perhaps I'm not doing any mistake, I hope. Anyways, so अब क्या लगाएंगे, 27 को लिख लीजिए 3 का क्यूब, और 9 को लिख लीजिए 3 का स्क्वायर। So this is log of 1 over 3. I've discussed it several times, so I don't feel that you guys might be struggling with this thing now. Okay, and अब हम लगा लेते हैं 2 times of log of 3 ab plus 3 times of log of ab. We are taking the LCM, so don't get carried away. These things are easy, far easy. So the 5 times of log of ab base 3 is 25. अब यहाँ पर ये कैंसिल कर सकते हो आप, यहाँ पर आप इसको पावर में ले जाएंगे, फिर 3 की पावर में लिखेंगे 25 को, फिर ab की पावर 5. So those things might seem sticking on your in your heads, in your brains. So anyways, so this is 3 raised to the power 4 into 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81, 3s are 243. So do we have an answer 243? Yes, we do have an answer 243. B is the correct answer. Sorry. Okay, so we have our next problem. Again, ये तो भाई सभी कर लेंगे, इसमें तो कोई दिक्कत होनी ही नहीं चाहिए। 2 raised to the power a b c d हमें दिया गया है, 2 raised to the power a पता है हमें, तो इसको हम ऐसे लिख लेंगे। 2 raised to the power a है 5, 5 raised to the power b c d, तो 5 raised to the power b हमें पता है, और c d इसका वैल्यू है 8 raised to the power c d। 8 raised to the power c का वैल्यू कितना है 11, 11 raised to the power d का वैल्यू कितना है 14। See, the questions are really very easy. Logarithms questions are really very easy. You can judge, you can simply judge. I did nothing. Actually, to be very frank, I did really nothing. This is just basic maths. I didn't even use the concept of log. You can use it, but I don't find any way. I don't find any need of using this in this particular question, I don't find the need of applying the logarithm. Why should I apply it? The thing is, this is not board exam, this is just application of mind. JE is just application of mind. You can apply it in any sense. So that is what is expected from an aspirant, that you can apply your mind in any way, in any sense, whichever way you like it to handle. Okay, so we have this problem, possibly the second last or last problem. We'll check. Okay, so we have this problem, and this problem is again a very easy problem. So log of 17 to the base 8 over log of 23 to the base 9 minus log of 17 to the base 2 root 2 over log of, again, thing is, can you apply it? What is this value? Because I know that this is 9. I would intuitively write this thing as this. Okay, now see the hint. I gave you the hint, but still I guess many students have clicked it. बहुतों के दिमाग में क्लिक कर गया होगा. अब अगर यहाँ पर 2 रूट 2 के स्क्वायर का वैल्यू कहीं ना कहीं 8 हो जाता तो मजे लग जाते, क्योंकि 2 रूट 2 का स्क्वायर करेंगे, स्क्वायर का 1/2 इधर आएगा, ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. क्या 2 रूट 2 का स्क्वायर 8 है? जी हाँ, बिल्कुल है. We are done. So simple. So this is log of 17 to the base 2 root 2 over log of 23 to the base 3 minus log of 17 to the base 2 root 2 upon log of 23 to the base 3. Simple. See, the level of questions is really very simple. I don't think that these questions are difficult, so we have another problem as well. So we will solve that problem again. Yes, so we can solve this problem, but the level of questions is very easy. You don't need to worry, you don't need to fear. These questions are really very simple. Logarithms are really very simple, and even mathematics is simple to some extent. I won't say that it is actually simple. It requires thinking skills, it requires your logic, and that is what makes you different as far as the JEE exam is concerned. Because आप इतना कंपटीशन क्यों है इंजीनियरिंग करने के लिए? इतना कंपटीशन क्यों है? इंजीनियर तो हर जगह से बनते हैं. Quality is something which makes you different, and that is what JEE is. JEE is actual quality. This is purest minds of the country are sitting together for an examination. What are you tested upon? Your basic skills, qualities, and that is what this question demands. Again, now these things actually can trick you, but this is again simple. Focus. I would ask the students to focus. First of all, whenever आपसे कुछ ऐसा पूछा जाए, definition define कीजिए पहले. Okay, I'll take good amount of time in explaining this. Okay, I hope I haven't rushed this lecture, because I thought the questions are simple, so anyone can solve. So in case you find any difficulty, you can definitely ask in the comment section. Okay, so we have these things, and also our base can't be 1, so x is not equal to 5/2, right? Or oh sorry, this is 2. X is not equal to 2. Okay, so x has to be greater than 3/2, x has to be greater than 4/3. So from definition I can simply say that for both, because both of them have to exist simultaneously, I would write 4/3. 4/3 is 1.33, and I would write 3/2. कोई नंबर 4/3 से भी बड़ा है और कोई नंबर 3/2 से भी बड़ा है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली उसे 3/2 से बड़ा होना पड़ेगा. ये वाले सारे सॉल्यूशंस हट जाएंगे पहले ही, क्योंकि ये डेफिनेशन में ही नहीं है. तो 4/3 से 3/2 वाले सॉल्यूशंस एक्चुअली हट चुके हैं. अच्छा, ये 2/3 से 4/3 कैसे आया? आई डोंट नो, एक्चुअली हट गया. I made the things really simple for you. What is 4/3 to 5/3? 5/3 is 1.67. 4 by 3 is 1.33. You can simply see this is, let's say this is 7, I would say 7 by 5. Okay, so we have 7 by 5. This is 1.4. This is 1.5. Is this a value? Actually, we got the answer, but this is not the way we are going to solve. We are going to solve it using pure logic. You know the answer will be B. तो ऑप्शन सेटर जो भी किताब का लेखक है उसके ऊपर मैं व्यंग्य नहीं करूंगा, किंतु मैं कहूंगा कि क्वेश्चंस आर रियली गुड, बट द थिंग इज अप्रोचिंग, ओके सॉरी, आई क्लिक्ड इट बाय मिस्टेक, सो यस। हाँ, तो वैसे हमें आंसर तो पता लग ही गया है, पर हम आंसर से नहीं जाने वाले थे, तो मैं आपको बता देता हूँ लॉजिक क्या है। हमने इसके डोमेन से ही देख लिया, तो दिस इज kind of trick, you can call it a trick, I call it logic. We have the logic, so why not apply it? Anyways, we have to calculate it to be greater than 0. Now what are the two cases when the log is greater than 0? Number and base have to be on same side of unity. I expressed it in one or two questions back. I don't remember the actual name, but yes, this is the concept that I am going to apply in order to judge what are the conditions when this thing is going to be true. So number and base are on same side of unity. So what is the meaning of this thing? This thing means I'll have to get two cases. So first of all, I'll take case 1. So my number and base both are less than 1. Number and base both are less than 1, so 2x minus 3 has to be definitely less than 1, and 3x minus 4 has to be definitely less than 1. So x is less than 5 by 3 and x is less than 5 by 2. Fine. Oh, sorry, I don't know what I'm doing here. So a number is less than 5 by 3 and a number is less than 2. What is the intersection? Number less than 5 by 3. So this thing, both things have to occur simultaneously, so I'm using the intersection. So x has to be less than 5 by 3. Yes, our x is less than 5 by 3. X is greater than 3 by 2 for its definition. So both the conditions are actually satisfied and we are very happy. We are the happiest people. So great. So we got some solution which is actually matching. This is just an example, so don't worry, I will not look to the option anymore. Let us discuss the case 2, when number and base both are greater than 1. So I am writing greater. See, don't mind the acronyms. Greater than 1. So my 2x minus 3 has to be greater than 1 and my 3x minus 4 has to be greater than 1. So now my 3x has to be greater than 5, x has to be greater than 5 by 3, 2x has to be greater than 4x has to be greater than 2. Now a number is greater than 5 by 3 and a number is greater than 2. So it is actually greater than 2. So x greater than 2 is another solution. X has to be greater than 2. So in combination, we'll take the union of both the cases. So basically what I did, I made two cases. In these cases, I got different set of relations for x. I took the common part of this and what that I did using the intersection. And in same thing I did in the second thing, and I took out the common part. This is a thing, this is an algorithm, I must say, which will be used not once twice but many a times. So देख लीजिए, अब कॉमन सेक्शन निकाल लिए। अब पहले केस के जो कॉमन एलिमेंट्स हैं और दूसरे केस के कॉमन एलिमेंट्स हैं उनको हमने सिंपल यूनियन से कंबाइन कर दिया, तो दिस वी हैव टू टेक. Okay, so x has to be greater than 2, x has to be less than 5 by 3. This is what we got. And for our domain to be satisfied, x has to be greater than 3 by 2. So this thing actually satisfies both of the criterias, and hence B is the correct answer to this problem. Again, डोमेन से आंसर निकल गया था, किंतु कॉन्सेप्ट समझना भी उतना ही जरूरी था. तो गाइस, इसी के साथ विदा लेते हैं इस वीडियो के लिए. आई होप यू लाइक दिस सेशन. इफ यू हैव लाइक दिस सेशन, डू मेक श्योर टू हिट द लाइक बटन, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल, share it with your friends and spread the channel. Quality will never stop at this channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day. Jai Hind. Bye.